I'm Dee Bircher from York County. Dr. Haynes did my rotator cuff surgery. I had a complete tear. Before surgery, I couldn't really do anything. I couldn't garden, I couldn't rake, I couldn't vacuum. Anything in moving my right arm was just painful, even driving. And we went through actually probably at least a year of the shots. They worked for a while, and then finally it got to the point I had a shot and a follow-up in like 3 weeks. Even after 2 weeks, I knew the shots were not working anymore. Had the surgery, stayed home for 4 weeks. I had 4 great weeks to stay home and heal. I'm right a little bit after 6 months, and it's wonderful. I mean, it was actually wonderful before now. I could still feel some tightness, but virtually no pain right now at all. It's wonderful. It's okay now to lift heavy things and to lift my arm, and everything just works really well now. Dr. Haynes, just phenomenal. He's very personal. He is on the same wavelength. You just feel very comfortable around him, talking to him about everything that's going on. He answers your questions thoroughly, and he makes sure that you understand what's going to happen and what's going on. I feel very fortunate to have that type of a doctor that cares about their patients and that really listens to what they're saying. I've never had a bad visit here. Everyone is so friendly. They make you feel very comfortable. When you feel good and your body works like it's supposed to, there's just no feeling like that.